Air India is sending invitation mail to all the girls जिसने अभी अप्लाई करी है, जिसने बहुत पहले भी अप्लाई करी थी। Hey everyone, welcome to this channel Priya Fly. I hope you guys are doing great and watching my videos, all the videos, whatever I am updating it on my channel. So do let me know कोई doubt है, कुछ परेशानी है तो so that I will help you people. Now attention please. So Air India is sending invitation mail to all the girls जिसने अभी अप्लाई करी है, जिसने बहुत पहले भी अप्लाई करी थी, और if someone is on hold but it is only for Delhi location. So girls, if you got selected like 5 months back, 6 months back, or it can be 1 year back, so they are sending email to those candidate who got just selected for Delhi location. ठीक है, recently also they have updated the vacancies for New Delhi and it was only for girls and it got closed within 3 days just because the application was too like huge to handle by the Air India website and it got crashed and everything, and they suddenly stopped the hiring. So that is why they have decided कि will send the invitation, but it is only invitation based. If you are receiving the mail, first you have to fill the Google form. ठीक है, there's the process. It is not that simple as it is. It is not that easy as it will look. You have to get the 2 emails from the Air India. If you are getting both the emails, that means you are invited for the location. You have to go to the location with the resume and all the documents. But if you are receiving only one mail from the Air India, it means there is a khatra and you have to pray to God to get the another email from them, because in the first email, if you will not receive the location, you have to wait for the second mail, cause in the first mail they will send you the Google form where you have to fill the details about yourself. Okay, I think I am clearing out all the things in detail. Like in the Google form, you have to tell them the age, name, age, qualification, from where you are applying, from which state you are, from which city you are, do you have a tattoo or not, are you available on these date or not. So which date I am talking about, I will let you know the date. But if you will fill the Google form, you have to submit it and do not delay, because you are not the only one. There's 1,000 candidate who is online and they are waiting in a queue. So obviously you are not on the top priority. So if you will delay the form, another people will get the chance. So just do not miss the opportunity, and after filling the form you have to wait for it. And the second mail they will send you, and with the location proper. But if it is in the first mail only they are sending the location and Google form both, then you don't have to worry about it. That is like you have to submit the form and you can go to the location with the resume and all. But if it is if the locations are not available on your mail, you have to wait for the second invitation mail. Okay, so that's the point which I really wanted to clear you out, girls. Next thing, the interview is for Delhi location and the date is 19th of September. So 19th of September, on 19th of September, Air India is going to hire a huge candidates, and it is only for girls. I'm saying that again, I'm saying it is only for girls. So if you have cleared your interview back in 2024 B, still you will get the invitation, because I have received a lot of messages on my Instagram, people who gave the interview on 2024 in the month of September, October, November, something like that. They got the invitation for the Delhi based location. And if you are not from Delhi, you can avoid or you can travel both. So please, I will suggest you the 2 things which is mandatory. First, check your email properly. पूरा सर्च करो, एयर इंडिया लिख के सर्च करो. सेकंड, चेक योर स्पैम बॉक्स, स्पैम ईमेल. थर्ड एक चीज़ और है, क्लियर योर स्पेस, गूगल स्पेस, ताकि आपका जो जीमेल है वो कहीं से भी कोई भी चीज़ को बैकआउट ना करे, वो लेके आए. बिकॉज इफ अगर आपका जीमेल स्पेस फुल है तो मेल भी नहीं आएगी. ऐसा बहुत चीज़ें होता है, हम इन चीज़ों से वाकिफ नहीं होते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि मेल आ रही है, तो ऐसा ही होता है. इसीलिए स्पैम, normal email and आपका Gmail space. That the 3 things which is really important for you girls now, which I really wanted to share. So these are the things, and just get ready for the interview. All the best whoever received the interview or who is going to receive the interview. All the best to everyone. Do let me know in the comment section कि आपको रिसीव हुई है या नहीं है. लास्ट वीडियो में तो बहुत कमेंट्स थे, तो अगर अभी ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड गाइज, वन मोर थिंग, अगर आपको लोकेशन मालूम भी हो जाती है ना, बट इफ यू डू नॉट हैव द इन्विटेशन, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो for the interview. They will send you back, because they need the confirmation, they need the email to verify that whether they have invited you or not. So just be careful, do not go मुंह उठा के just कि location पता चल गया ये एयर इंडिया का इंटरव्यू है. It is not walk-in interview, it is an invitation based interview. I am saying it again. Okay, so please do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, or if you're going for the interview, if you have received the mail or first mail or second mail, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. ऐसे मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करते रहना, ताकि मैं और भी ऐसी अपडेट्स के साथ आते रहूँ और आप सभी को ऐसे मोटिवेट करूँ, कोई भी चीज़ की अपॉर्चुनिटी आप मिस ना करो. इसलिए डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल गाइस. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.